to discuss about trigonometry with practice. Whatever we will have questions, we will practice with those questions. Okay. So before we move on questions on practice with the question, let's study. Let's now about the concept of this trigonometry. Okay, what is the concept? So a little information I would like to share with you about regarding this. Okay, so here try to understand, try to notice TRI. It means three, three. Yeah, already most of you know three, which means three. Clear? Okay. Gonometry. Gono, you can say sides. Yeah, sides. It will be better. Sides. So how many sides? Three sides. Three sides. Metry, which means measure. What? Measure. So measure of three sides. Measure of three sides. It's our chapter. It's our. So meaning of this word is this. Measure of three sides. Okay, so we are going to break down this word, meaning of this word. Gradually we will understand. Clear? So here always remember, in the context of trigonometry we are discussing. So our one side angle, one side would be horizontal, would be horizontal. Okay, horizontal, like that. This. So here we should have three sides. This is two, one, two, and then three. This is triangle already you know. Let's name it A, B, C. Clear? Now this straight line is indicating that it is this triangle is what right triangle. This triangle is right angle. So we have a triangle with a 90 degree. This is 90 degree because our this side is straight. That's why it is said that this is a 90 degree angle. Clear? But this angle is not 90 degree because this side is not straight. This side is curve. Curve no. You can say slope. This side is like a slope. So here we have three sides, 1, 2, 3, A, B, B, C, and C. Three sides, and we measure what is the distance, what is the length of this side, what is the length of this side, and what is the length of this sides. To find out these sides, we should have a value of this side. To find out this length of this AB, we should have a value of this and value of this side. So in questions we will look like that. Okay, so this is trigonometry. Clear? And yeah, let's know about it, functions of it. So this is horizontal, and this is vertical. Okay, this is vertical, this is horizontal. This horizontal is known as based. Otherwise, you can say adjacent. Adjacent. Okay. What? Adjacent. Adjacent. Otherwise, you can say based. Base. Okay. Always remember. This side will be known as adjacent. From the perspective of 90 degree, we are saying that this side will be known as adjacent. Otherwise, we can say base. And this would be known as perpendicular because this is straight. That's why we are saying this side is perpendicular. Yeah. Otherwise, you can say height. Yeah. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular because this is straight. This is straight. That's why we are naming it perpendicular. And now it's a time about AC. What is the name of AC? What is it said? This is a slope. This is not a straight. AC is not our straight line. Instead of rather than saying this what straight, we would say hypotenuse. We would say hypotenuse. In simple word, we say this is a slope. But in mathematic way, in the discussion of this side, we say hypotenuse. We can say whenever we are discussing regarding this, then we can say this is the slope. We can say AC is the slope. We are going to find out the slope. Like that, we can say AC hypotenuse. 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 Okay. Now we can represent AB by B alphabet, because B stands for base. Okay, and BC we can represent it by alphabet B, whereas this slope it can be represented by alphabet H. Clear? Till here we are clear. We tried to know that about the name of sides. Okay, we can say if we don't know angle of this and we don't know value of angle CAB, then we can write theta. We use theta when we don't know value of angle. Then we use, okay. Already we have discussed about theta. It is simple. Theta will be used when we don't know value of theta to find out the value of theta. We don't know. If you know, then you can write in mathematics whatever you know value of this angle. Clear? So it's what meaning of theta is what to we don't know value of angle. That's why we apply this hint. Clear? Clear. And now you can notice this is what we are moving on the discussion of Pythagoras theorem. Yeah. Pythagoras theorems will come in the discussion of a lot of in the context of a mathematics subject. Okay, it will help and it will come sure. Pythagoras will come in the process of our, okay. So here after this discussion, we are looking that this is making sense about Pythagoras theorems. What does Pythagoras say? It says that AC, this is a square, and this is a square, and this is a square. That's why we write it AC square. Okay, and it is equals to sum of this side and sum of this side. Can we write this is a square, AB square plus BC square. Already most of you know that this is a Pythagoras theorem. Already most of you know. Okay, so it can be written as what place of AC. We can we write H? Yeah, of course. And place of AB, can we write B? Yeah, of course. Place of BC, P, like that. Like that can be written as. Okay. Meaning of this is the same. Okay, is the same. Is the same. Clear? Now you will be given value of H, value of P. You will have to find out value of B. So this method you will use to find out value of any H, whether H, B, P. Okay. In when question will come, then we will apply this method. Okay, this method. Till here, are we clear? Are we clear? Till here? Yeah. Okay. So let's take questions. Questions to practice. For practice, we are going to take. Have a look. Have a look. Have a this was concept. Okay, this was concept. So after ahead of this here, we are moving to trigonometry, sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Okay. So here you have to remember that what is the meaning of a sine theta in the context of this triangle, in the context of Pythagoras theorem. So sine theta your would be this. Here always remember, if you taking values of sides from the perspective of this theta, then in front of this angle, this side would be known as what? Perpendicular. Yeah. Okay, and this side would be known as based. And from the perspective of this angle, this would be known as perpendicular, and this would be known as based. So always remember, if we are taking values, if we are considering base perpendicular, so here we have to look where is our theta, where is our angle. Okay, so angle will decide your perpendicular and your base. Okay, then here uh, so here sin theta, it says that perpendicular by hypotenuse, so P by H. Okay, this is, and this base by H, and this A by B. And tan theta is also said that it is a slope. Tan theta is slope. Yeah, it is true. This and this upon this, we will get this slope. To find out the slope, we will have this by upon this. Okay. So always remember, because in next standard you will see use of this. Okay. So remember that this is also slope. Clear? So reciprocal of this of cos of a tan is what opposite of a sin theta is cosec, and cos opposite of a cos theta is what sec, and opposite of a tan is cot. Okay, clear? So now we can write the value of whatever we have left. Okay, opposite of a sine cosec. Just opposite this we can write value of this just opposite, just this opposite would be h by p. Okay, and then now sec, so opposite of this is sec, and this would be also opposite, so it can be written h upon b, and now opposite of that cot. Clear? Then this would be opposite b by b. So this is a way to write ratios of to write value of this ratios. Okay, ratios. Clear? Clear. You have to remember this. Otherwise, if you are if you are getting notice, why, and I told you that this is a slope, this is also slope, and this happens. Sine happens p by h, and cos p by h. So opposite of this is this, and opposite of this is sec. Okay, so just we have to admit that this will be opposite, and this ratio will be opposite. Clear? Clear. 1 second. This is a Pythagoras theorem. Now I am going to show you by unit circle some information about trigonometry with the help of a unit circle. We have this unit circle. Okay, this is not a perfect diagram, but just for understanding, I don't want to waste your time. Okay, this is a point. This is a midpoint of this circle, and this is a radius, as you know, and from here to till here will be known as diameter. So we have a radius, clear? So I am going to draw a figure of this ratio with a unit circle. This is a unit circle. Unit, which means radius circle of one radius. This is radius. So radius is one. Clear? You can say this is a unit circle. Clear? This is a secant ratio. Okay. Now from here to till here would be known as sin theta. This is a sin theta. Clear? And this would be known as cos theta. Cos. Clear? So this O and this A and this B. Clear? And this is C. Just to identify. And from here to till here is radius as well. Clear? Clear. Now let's take this is slope. O and D would be known as sec. Clear? O A would be known as cosec. Clear? This is the diagram. This is what? Diagram. Clear? And now this is a tan. This from C to F, from C to G. This is a cot theta and this is a tan theta. Clear? This is a figure of all trigonometric functions. Clear? Trigonometric functions. This is a figure. So here, should I write OA? O is cos and AC is sine. Just to make it clear, okay. OE is cosec and OD is sec. Then clear? Yeah, four ratios. Now C to G. C to G is cot and C to F is tan. Clear, bro? OC. OC is with one radius and it is a slope. Yeah. Clear? Clear. I hope that's enough for concept for our next questions. Okay. Now we are ready to take questions for practice. Just have a look. Just to understand this for few minutes. For few minutes. I am going to erase it. I am going to erase it. First question we have, which is first question I am going to write. Uh, in a triangle ABC, right angle at B. This is our first question. Look, bro, look at here. We have a triangle and which is indicated by ABC, and right angled would be at B. So, can we draw a figure? We have right angle. So, right angle is at B. So, this would be B. Clear? Now, whatever we have A and C. Let's name it. Here AB, which is a distance with 24 centimeter, and BC with 7 centimeter. So here try to understand, bro. So distance from A to B is 24 centimeter, and the height of BC is 7 centimeter. Now we are going to identify slope. We are going to find out slope. Okay. Okay. We don't know value of AC, which is a hypotenuse. So to identify, to find out, to solve value of AC, we have to use uh, Pythagoras theorem. So AC, okay, and 24, and then 7. Uh, what was that? Then what was that? And what was that for? 6, 7, 5, 5, 7, 6. Then 49, and we have 5, 7, 4, 11, 2, 6. Can we write this is a square of 25? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can. A square will get cancelled out. This is a process to find out 25 value. So here, this value of this is height distance of this is 25 centimeter. Clear? Now we are clear to find out the sine and cosine. So let's solve it. Sine. So here our angle is where? Here. So opposite to this is this side BC. This would be perpendicular as you know. So ratio of sine is what? P by h. So just put value of P and the value of h. So value of P is 7 and then 25. This is after division 25 by 7, we will get answer, and this is also answer. And if we want to exact value, then we will have to division 25 by 7. No, 7 by 25. Then we will get answer in decimal. Clear? Okay, 0 point something something. Now it's a time of cos A. So here this is angle, and cos is is b by h. Then value of b is what, 24. Then we have h, 25. That's its answer. You can divide 24 by 25. Then we will get answer in decimal. Okay. Now shall we move to the next question? This was one question for us. Second, second is something different as compared to first question. Let me write question. Then I will tell you solution. Process of this solving question. And this is 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. So just look at the question. What is the question saying? Okay. Here, as I was telling you, we would have two values in triangle, in the right triangle. Okay. Now you can see two values, but we don't have one values. That is given because of it says, our question says that you are going to solve. That's why we have given two values. Yeah. So here this is a figure given by question. We don't need to draw a figure. Okay. If a figure is not given by question, then we have to what, draw figure to clarify. Okay. So QP is with 12 centimeter, and PR, which is hypotenuse, is 30 centimeter, but we don't have value of QR. Value of QR. So just we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. So QR we don't know. Yeah. So this is a big. This is slope. This is a big as compared to value of this and value of this. Yeah. So our hypotenuse would be PR and PQ. Just to put the value, PR 30 centimeter, PQ 12, okay, and QR we don't know. 169, then 1, yeah. Then we have 25, which is 5 and then 2. Yeah, QR is 5. Am I right or not? So base is 5. Now this we have to evaluate this. Let's solve it. Tan P minus quarter. Clear? What is tan P? A by B. And then B by P. So here, P value of P is tan P. We have a P. P. So this is a perpendicular and this is a base. So yeah, perpendicular. So 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Now, chord R. This is a chord R. So this is a perpendicular and this is a base. So P by P. 5 by 12. Clear? 0. We have a difference. We have subtract. That's why we are getting 0 answer. So it is the same. Our slope is nothing. Yeah. This is the answer. Okay. Just have a look and you can notice how did it come, why did it come. I will take next question. Okay. Next question is third. If sine A is 3 by 4, then calculate cos A and tan A. Cos A and tan A. Okay. Uh, so here sine A, which is already now we know ratio of what is the sine P by H. So here we have a value of P which is 3, value of H which is 4, log 4, but we don't have value of P. That's why we will use hypothesis theorem. So here 4 a square, then P a square, but we don't know value of B. So 4, 3, then B. 69, then B. 7, I am right. 7, 7, 7. So value of B is root 7, which is in under root. Now cos A, which is what cos is B by H. Now here B, which is root 7 and H 4. Next tan P by H. No, bro. No. Here. P 3 and B root 7. Clear? This is answer. That's it. Whatever question is the same, we will find out. We will solve. Okay. So question was saying, if you have value of a sine which is 3 by 4 and calculate cos A tan A. We don't know value of B because in the ratio of cos A, we should have value of B because cos A is B by H. Okay, and B by B. So B is coming. B is a compulsory value of B should be compulsory. So we didn't have a value of B. So that's why we used this method to find out B. Then we were comfortable to find out to solve cos A tan. That is it. Here your mind will work. Okay. Have a look and then I take next question. So shall we take next question? Now here you are clear. First, you will have to understand concept, then you will have to do practice with the questions, whatever you have done. Concept, okay. This too is compulsory for understanding. For next, given given sec theta, which is 13 by 12, then calculate all other trigonometric functions, ratios. Question is saying you know value of sec theta, but you don't know value of all trigonometric ratio except value of sec theta, because this is a given by question. So here question is saying you have to find out value of all trigonometric ratios except value of sec theta. So let's submit it together. Yeah. Whatever we have given, can we write? Yeah. Just for good. Sec value of sec what hy b hy b. This is a reciprocal of cos. This is a reciprocal of cos. So here value of h is 13 and value of b is 14. We don't have value of perpendicular. Just we will use hypotenuse. Wow. 13 square, then no, we don't know value of b. 12 square. Clear? 169. Am I right? Then 144. Clear? 5. Then p5. To find out perpendicular, we have p, which is 5 centimeter. Clear? Now we are comfortable to find out the value of all trigonometric ratios except only one sec theta. Clear? First, let's take sine, which is p by h. So 5 by 13. And then cos, which b by h, already you know, b 12. Then h 13. Yeah, this is the respect of the opposite. And then tan would be p by 5 by 12. It's very simple now. It's very easy now. Then cot, which is cot tan theta 12 by 5. Clear? Now we have left no cosec theta, which is reciprocal of sin theta. So that's it. Just have a look. We will move on next question. Just have a look. Now I am going to erase it. Okay. It's enough to have look at. Next question. Next question. If cot theta is 7 by 8, evaluate first 1 plus sine theta, then 1 minus sine theta. Clear? Upon 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Then second cot square theta. Now, do you have any information? Do you have any idea to find to solve it? Have? Do you have? Just have a look at and try to understand what is the question saying. What does the question want? Okay, just have a look. Question is saying, found out, evaluate this and this. First of all, we have a value of b and value of b, but we don't have a value of hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is compulsory, yeah, for solve it. Okay, that's all. We have given what? Okay, we have given this by question. So here, we have to find out hypotenuse. Then now 3, 11. Hypotenuse is under root of 130. Here can be written, h is under root of 130. First First, let's take 1 plus. So here, try to notice there is a identities, okay, of algebra. Here, this is A, this is A, this is a B, this is a B. We have common. So A plus B and A minus B. It is identities algebra. So what can it be written? A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Similarly, A square minus B square. Clear? Clear, bro. This is identities. We use algebraic identities. We are using algebraic identities so that we can save our time and long process. This is not shortcut. We are applying algebraic identities. Okay. So can we write like that? Okay, plus that's there. Okay, and now we use it algebraic identities. Okay, now we have to put value of sin theta and value of cos theta. Now p by h. So p, which is 8, and clear. This equal will be here. Now 1 by 1, then cos p by. Okay, okay, okay. No, no, no. Am I right or not? Yeah. Yeah. Clear? Then we have, and now 7. This is equation, not this. It's a simple for you. I'm writing here. So I think it will get cancelled out. Am I right? Yeah. Rationalization to remove root. Okay. Then here, can we write like that? Root will get cancelled out. Here we have what? A minus B and A plus B. Root will get cancelled out. And then 7. 7 7 is 49. Subtraction of this would be what? 4. 4, then 6. Ahead of it, you can solve it for exact value. Till here, your answer is also correct. Clear? Yeah, second cot square theta. Cot square theta, which means b by p. So this is in a square. Okay, so b, value of b is what? 7. 7 square by. Okay, so here 49 by 130. Clear? To find out exact value, you will divide this by this. Clear? So just have a look. We are going to move on next question. First of all, we found out the value of h. Then we wrote this, and then we applied algebraic identities a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Then we have solved it, and then here also a minus b, a plus b we applied, and then second question we have solved. Just have a look. We ignored a square. Okay, we here ignored a square. This a square. We thought, yeah, 64. Then a square root will get cancelled out. 1 by 1. 7 7 is 49. A square root will get cancelled out. Clear? Oh my god. I am solving here. 113, 113 and 64. Clear? Then 113 and then 49 upon, yeah, it will get cancelled out. We have what 9, then 4, 64. This is answer. So yes, sine by cos, which is tan by this is tan. So this is the value of tan. Tan square theta. Am I right or not? Do you want to see? No. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. We ignored a square. That's it. Okay. We ignored what? A square. No, it is correct. It is correct. I am taking next question, bro. I am taking next question. Next, which is if 3 cot A is equals to 4. Check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Clear? A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A, or not. We have to show that this LHS is equals to RHS or not. Okay, we have to show. We have to prove. So let's see. We have given code A B by P, which is 4 by 3. Clear? This is given by question. Now we don't have a value of H. H is compulsory. H is compulsory, yeah, for cos A and for sin A. So we don't know. Yeah, 5. Okay, 5. Remember, H is 5. Now, first, LHS we are taking. LHS, which is 1 minus tan square A and 1 plus tan square A. Clear? First of all, we solve LHS, then we will solve RHS. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ratios of tan A, ratio of tan A is P by B. So value of P is 3 and B is 4. But this is in a square. Here, so then, yeah, value of 10, 10, 10, 10. Yeah, 3 by 4 acid. Am I right? Yeah. 3 3 is 16. 16. Then 16, 16, 9, then 16, 16, 9. Wow, 16, 16. Good. Then we have 7 by 25. This is not answer. We have to prove that LHS is equals to RHS. So value of LHS is 7 by 25. Okay. So we are taking now RHS. Clear? So B by H. So 4 by 5. But this is in a square. B by H. 3. Whatever. So here H. 16, 25. Yeah. Then 25, 7. Alright. Yeah. Hence, LHS, RHS, it proved. Yeah. Second? No, that's okay. Yeah, it is equals. It is which equal. Okay. Okay. LHS is equals to RHS. Yes. Because 7 by 15, 7 by 25. We have got value of both sides is the same. Just have a look for a few seconds, then we will move on the next question. So I am going to erase it. It is enough. Next question. Friend, this is question, and look at this question. What is the question saying? Is it complicated or simple? Is it? I think so. This is a little complicated. This is a very complicated as compared to previous question. So here, first of all, you have to read the questions. The question. Question is the same. You have a triangle which is PQR and a right angle at Q, not at P, not at R, but at Q. So sum of this side is 25 centimeter, but we don't have exact value of PR and exact value of Q. It is given to us what sum of two side is 25 centimeter. How we will how will we solve it? So value of PQ is 5 centimeter. Clear? Determine the values of sin P, cos P, and tan P. Here, main issue is we don't have exact value of two sides. Okay, this is main. This is main problem. Okay, first of all, we will solve it. We will solve of our first problem. Then we will be able to find out to solve for sin P, cos P, tan P. Given given here you are 25 centimeter. PQ 5 centimeter. Let's create a diagram for this question. We have right angle. This is right angle, and this is Q, P, R. Clear? Now here, PQ is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Here, this and this is how much? 25 centimeter. Clear? So this is a big. This is big. can we write QR, let's suppose X, okay? Okay, we don't know value of exact of QR. And this is X, and this is not a 25. Here would be 25 subtract X, because this is full. This 25 centimeter is a value of two sides. So this is the value of one side. We are subtracting one side with 25. That's why we wrote we wrote subtract. Here now it makes a sense. Okay, it makes a sense. Let's apply Pythagoras theorem. So here 25 minus x. Okay, yeah, right. Then p. Yeah, clear. A minus b square. A minus b square. I am solving it. It is what the equation. So here, try to understand. X square will get cancelled out. Okay. Value of x is 12. This is 12 centimeter, and this is 13 centimeter. Clear? Very simple. This is a way. This is a complicated. As I said you, this question is with teeny complicated. Teeny complicated. No. Yeah. We know PR is 13 centimeter, and QR is 12 centimeter. Sin P. P by H. So P 5. But P. So 12 by 13 cos P. So 5 by 13 tan P. So P by means 12 by 5. Answer. That's it. You can see how did I solve it. First of all, we didn't know exact value of PR and QR. We didn't know. So we applied this method, Pythagoras theorem. Then we had our a minus b square algebraic equation. Then we solved it. After this solving, we have exact value of QR and PR. Now we are able to solve the ratio of sin P, ratio of cos P, and ratio of tan P. And now our angle is at P of this three ratio of this three ratio. So with the help of this angle, we wrote what ratio of this. Clear? That's it. Question was saying found out value of this three ratio. This three ratio. Just I am waiting you. I am not erasing it for looking for few seconds. Just have a look for few seconds. Then I will erase it. for taking next question. I am going to erase it. Now we are moving to next a special question, a special concept. Uh, do you know value of sine 30 degrees, sine 40 degrees, sine 45, 60, sine 90 degree? No. About on it, we are moving to take a step. So here, this is a sine, this is a sine, sine theta. Okay, cos theta, tan theta. Then we have cot theta. Then we have sec theta. Then we have cosec theta. Okay. First we have 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree. Then we have what? 30 degree. We are increasing degree. Okay. Then 60 degree. Then no 45 degree. Then 60 degree. Then 90 degree. Clear? Yeah. I made something. Now we are going to put a value of all this ratio with the help of this degree, which is in mathematics. Okay. Can you see what is it? Can you tell me? We are going to write value of all this degree with ratios. Yeah, 1 second, bro. Yeah, first of all, you will have to remember that a value of only value of only only one ratio. This value of this ratio will increase from 0 degree to 1 degree. I am saying you from 0 degree to 1 degree. So first we will write 0, then and last is 1. Last is 1. And whatever we have value between 0 and 1. So we write 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2. This is what? This is nothing. This is something. This is greater, this is less, then this. This is less, then this. This is less, then this. This is greater than 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 this. Are you getting? Are you understanding? Are you clear? Uh, we have written this three value because this came between 0 to 1. Okay. This would be something 0.9 like that. 0. This is a 0. What? 0.7. This is 0.5, and this is 0.3 like that. Okay. And now that's it. That's it. Uh, Whatever we have written here, this we will write this opposite to ratio of cos 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 0. Just opposite of this. Okay. And now we know that what tan theta, which means sine by cos theta. So we are dividing 0 by 1. We are dividing sine by cos. That's why. So let's divide 0 by 1. What would be 0 by 1? 0 by 1. 0. Is it a 0? I think yes. 0 by 1. 0. Now 2 will get cancelled out. We have 1 by root 3. Then root 2 will get cancelled out. Now we have it 1. 2 we will get cancelled out. And then root 3. So here we are dividing any number by 0. That's why we get infinite. 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 Okay. Infinite. So whatever we are dividing number by 0, then we write infinite. We use infinite word. Now this is just opposite. This is a reciprocal of tan. This is a reciprocal of cos. This is a reciprocal of sine. Now it is very just opposite. Yeah. We are dividing 1 by 0. That's why we wrote infinite. Now root 3, then 1, and now yeah, 1 by root 3, 0. Clear? This is a reciprocal of cos. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 1 second. No, no. No, no, no. No, bro. Sec theta, which means 1 by cos. So 1 by cos, which which would be 1. Am I right? And then 1 by root 3 by 2 opposite, and then opposite, then 2, then opposite of 0, opposite of 0 is what? Infinite, is infinite. Now let's look for cosine. This is a reciprocal of sine 0. So here 1 by 0, 1 by 0, which is infinite. And now 1 by 1 by 2, 2, then root 2, then 2 by root 3, and then this would be 1. Is it correct, bro? Is it correct? Yeah, this is correct. Okay. So here sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 40 degree is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 degree root 3 by 2. Similar, cos 60, cos 45 degree is root 2, cos 60 degree is 2 by root 3, cos 90 degree is 1. This is how for remember. Okay. Oh, I would ask you that cot 45 degree. What? Tan 45 degree. What? Yeah. I would ask you cos 0 degree. You tell me. You would tell me 1. Yeah. Uh, cos 30 degree. You would say root 3 by 2. Sec 60 degree. You would say what? Only 2. 2. Clear? Then I ask you cos sec 30 degree. Then you would say root 2 by root 3. Maybe 2 1. 1 letter. Okay. Then sec 30 degree. You would say 2 by root 3. Someone asks you, tell me, someone asks you, tell that cos 60 degree. Then what would you say? You would say what? 1 by? No, root. Yeah, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Cos of 60 degree. 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree. Root 3 by 2. Clear? Root 3 by 2. This is how from which we can remember. Okay. Cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree. Root 3. Tan 30 degree. 1 by root 3. Yeah. Clear? questions. We will practice questions based on this concept. Okay. We will